Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Hobart 140 MIG Welder is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly MIG welders on the market, perfect for both beginners and experienced welders tackling DIY projects or more demanding tasks. In this video, we will deep dive into its features, performance, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right machine for your welding needs. Number 5. Forney Easy Weld 140 FCI. It uses 0.030-inch flux core wire and has infinite voltage and wire feed speed control. This lets you easily dial in the perfect weld every time, making it great for beginners. With a 140 amp output, it can weld up to 1 4-inch mild steel. It's lightweight and easy to carry to any DIY project, handling both 2 and 10-pound wire rolls. Everything you need is included: an 8-foot MIG gun, an 8-foot ground clamp, and a 20 amp to 15 amp adapter. You'll be welding in no time. It's a flux-cored welder, so you don't need any gas. This simplifies the welding process and makes it more convenient. Visit Forney's Amazon brand store for recommended accessories and consumables to enhance your welding experience. Find everything you need to keep your projects going smoothly. What we like. It's incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. Its lightweight and portable design makes it perfect for taking on the go. If you're looking for a hassle-free welding experience without the need for gas, this is the one for you. What people say. The separate wire feed and voltage adjustments is the best feature. True 90 amps is all I need for welding 1/4 steel. The adjustments are a very nice touch compared to others with only 2 or 4 options for setting the current. This one can be dialed into the perfect setting, allowing great penetration without blowing through. The welder itself is very light at only 19 pounds before adding a roll of flux core wire. Seems to be of sturdy construction. Number 4. Hobart Handler 140 MIG Welder. It's a durable and portable welder, perfect for various jobs. Its robust build ensures it'll last. This machine handles up to 1 4-inch mild steel with ease. You can tackle a wide variety of welding tasks. It features a quick select drive roll and easy polarity changeover. Switching between wire types is a breeze. Self-resetting motor and thermal overload protection keep it running smoothly. You can count on it to perform when you need it. The sloped control panel and clear visibility make adjustments simple. You'll have precise control over your welds. From auto repair to home projects, it's the ideal choice for all your welding needs. Get yours today. What we like. This welder is built to last, handling various projects with ease. Its intuitive design simplifies setup and operation. If you need a reliable and adaptable machine for diverse tasks, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The wire feed on the Hobart is smooth and consistent. There seems to be enough granularity in the power and feed settings for my needs. It made my welds look professionally done in about 10 minutes of practice with the settings. You get 5 heat settings and infinite wire feed. The MIG beads look great, but in all honesty the flux core welds, while not pretty, are strong, quality welds, and I think you would be happy to just stick with that if you didn't want to invest in a gas bottle. Number 3. Forney Easy Weld 140 MP. It's the ultimate 3-in-1 welding solution for all your projects. This machine handles stick, MIG, and DC-TIG welding with ease. It's incredibly versatile, making it perfect for a wide range of applications. You'll be able to tackle any welding job with confidence. It features a simple start and a 3-position switch for quick process changes. You can easily adjust the voltage and wire feed speed for the perfect weld every time. It comes with everything you need to get started: a MIG gun, electrode holder, ground clamp, and adapter. Plus, an extra contact tip is included for your convenience. Visit Forney's Amazon brand store for recommended accessories and consumables. Find everything you need to keep it running smoothly. This welder is your new go-to tool for all your welding needs. Get yours today. What we like. It offers the flexibility of 3 welding processes in one machine. The precise controls allow for perfect welds every time. If you value versatility and want a machine that can handle various welding needs, this is ideal. What people say. The machine looks and works great. Love the green and texture of the paint, almost like a Raptor liner, and the fan is quiet, which is very nice. Even plugged into a 20A outlet, it has plenty of power, but I will try a 30A when I can upgrade. I love shopping at Harbor Freight, but I feel that this is a much better deal for a multiprocessor, and the fact that I was able to buy it with a 5-month payment without a credit or rewards card was even better. If you're thinking about it, do not hesitate. Already bought some accessories for it and will be tinkering around with the TIG torch soon. If anyone is wondering, yes, the components feel like great quality. Wire drive system is metal, not too heavy unless you get an 11-pound spool. The website offers replacement parts, and the arc feels fairly smooth and the spatter isn't too bad, but I think you should use anti-spatter spray regardless, as well as run argon CO2 gas mix. Everything that came in the box appears to be very well made. Nothing about this feels cheap at all. I did a lot of homework and self-education on arc and MIG welding before diving into this, so I was well prepared to waste a few sticks to learn something. Within the first hour, I was laying a respectable bead between two chunks of 1/8 steel, using 6013 rods. It wasn't beautiful, but it wasn't ugly, and it was definitely solid. One thing I like about this machine that I have not seen in others like it, is that this inverter-based welder is generator-friendly. This is something I definitely need, as much of my welding needs will take place outdoors around a 20-acre ranch. Number 2. Hobart Handler 210 MVP. It's built with an industrial cast aluminum wire drive and delivers 210 amps of power. You'll weld diverse projects efficiently and effectively. It lets you precisely adjust output parameters for superior arc performance. This means less spatter, better looking welds, and easier cleanup. It has a built-in contactor, short circuit protection, and thermal overload protection. Your safety is a top priority with its powerful performance. It's portable and includes dual power multi-voltage plugs. You can work on 115V or 230V power, wherever your job takes you. It comes with everything you need to get started: a 10-foot gun, spool hub, work cable, gas solenoid valve, and dual gauge regulator. Everything is included for a smooth start. What we like. This welder delivers exceptional power and performance. It offers fine-tuned control for superior welds. If you demand power, precision, and safety features, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. It is not a lightweight unit with little going on inside of it. This machine has some great engineering in merely the packaging, let alone the rest of the machine. It is well packed and should get to you without any problem. The assembly of it is easier than many and should present zero trouble for anyone. The instructions are excellent. Just did some 1/4 to 3/16 today and it was a breeze. Settings are very easy to adjust, just follow the chart they give you. And even as a hobby welder, my beads with this thing are looking pretty dang good. Number 1. Hobart Handler 190 MIG Welder. This welder is designed for ease of use, whether you're a beginner or a pro. It comes with everything you need to get started, right out of the box. It includes a welding gun, work cable, contact tips, power cord, and even a handy thickness gauge. You'll also find a comprehensive owner's manual for easy setup and maintenance. With 7 voltage selections and infinite wire feed speed control, it offers precise control for superior welds with minimal spatter. You'll achieve professional quality results every time. It features 3 wire feed grooves for different wire types, saving you valuable time. Quickly find the right settings for various materials and thicknesses, making every project efficient. It's built with a thermal overload protector for maximum reliability. This ensures long-lasting performance and peace of mind. It operates on 230V, boasts an amp range of 25 to 190 amps, and has a 30% duty cycle at 130 amps. It handles mild steel from 24 gauge to 5/16 inch thick. What we like. This welder boasts high amperage for tackling demanding projects. Its straightforward setup saves you valuable time. If you need a powerful and reliable welder for professional or heavy-duty applications, this is the one. What people say. The manual that comes with the welder and the info inside the door make this a breeze to set up and use. The 190 has a great price here on Amazon, so I went ahead and bought it. I am not much of a welder, but I love to tinker in my shop and build small projects. Right now I have been welding a motorcycle carrier to mount in the receiver and my Terex to haul my son's 50 cubic centimeters dirt bike. I have been using my clutch for the first half of the project. Using the 190 on it for a bit now, and I can say the Hobart seems to weld a little better. When I say better, I feel like I can make cleaner and better looking welds with it. It seems to have less splatter as well. I really like the preset voltage settings. So far settings on a cover lid have been great for me. I have welded 1/4 metal with it, and it penetrates deep. This welder actually comes with everything you need, well, almost everything. You'll need at a minimum a welding helmet, to start welding out of the box. Okay, some assembly is needed. The welder comes with a 240V, 50 amp NEMA 6 to 50 male plug, which is not shown or mentioned in the description or in the pictures. The welder comes with a small sample spool of .030 flux core wire, 2.030 contact tips, a gauge for your argon or argon Co2 mix tanks, and a metal thickness gauge. All in all, I am enjoying this welder. It has ample power to weld 1/4 steel together, so I am confident that this welder will weld 5/16 steel as advertised. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.